All right, welcome to today's experiment. We are looking at how effective biochar is in delivering nitrogen to maize as compared to the synthetic fertilizer, which is already known and in the market. Biochar is a byproduct of briquette. When it's produced, one of the byproducts is the biochar. And research has shown that it can help in supplying some nutrients to the plants. So we evaluated how much of nutrients in terms of nitrogen it can supply to maize compared to the synthetic fertilizer. And in your picture here, in your view here, you have the synthetic fertilizer on the right and then the biochar on the left. And clearly we see the difference in the leaf color. This tells us that nitrogen, when it is rich in the plant, it changes the color. And we are realizing that it is so much higher in the synthetic fertilizer application. And for the biochar, if you come closer, you realize that we place the biochar underneath the roots. We did them on the same day. We applied them on the same day. But we realized that one has picked up the nitrogen so much, the other hasn't. Even the ones which were on the border, we realized that some of the synthetic fertilizer leached through the ground. So on the border, you see that they picked some of the greenness. Yeah. So literature has taught us that the biochar takes time to degrade. Aside that, biochar in itself is very low in nitrogen, but quite high in phosphorus. So for crops like soybean, you see a speedy growth of the soybean plants when the biochar is applied because it's very rich in phosphorus and potassium and other nutrients. But for nitrogen, it's quite low. So we are waiting for the crops to mature so that we can assess the yield alongside the other parameters like the leaf color and things that we've recorded. So briefly, that is what we are doing in terms of the biochar evaluation. Thank you.